Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to detect tempo in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now we need to select our audio region in our timeline. So select one like so. Now once it's selected, tap it second time to reveal this floating menu here. And at the bottom you will see tempo. So select this. And what we need to do now, we can analyze tempo just like so. And now um, we'll scan the transients and snap your timeline grid directly to the track. All right. And yeah, this is basically pretty much it. So what you can also do, you can have like adapt mode. So if you want to record a live instrument directly into your iPad without a click track and want the iPad to create a changing tempo map that follows you, you can tap here on your tempo BPM display at the top center of the screen. And yeah, here you can uh, adjust the tempo. Now, if you go to to specific box in your timeline, you can also here at the bottom left select the middle icon and then adjust here some file tempo, basically BPMs, smart tempo you can toggle on. And yeah, this is pretty much it how and you can detect tempo. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.